Are you tired of struggling to find the best affiliate programs that actually pay well and aren't overcrowded with competition? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you how to uncover hidden, high-converting programs that can skyrocket your earnings fast. Also, in this video, I will delve into the 7 best affiliate marketing programs available this year. I will review each program in depth and explain how each program works, providing you with insights that can significantly enhance your earning potential. Choosing the right affiliate programs is crucial. It can make the difference between a modest income and substantial commissions. As we explore various options, we'll highlight key factors to consider, such as commission rates, product relevance, and the support offered by affiliate networks. By aligning with programs that resonate with your audience and niche, you can maximize your earnings while providing value to your followers. So, whether you're looking to diversify your income streams or just starting your affiliate journey, this guide will equip you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. Get ready to discover the top affiliate marketing programs that can help you achieve your financial goals while engaging your audience effectively. Let's get into the video right now. 1. Tube Magic. Did you know there's a hidden goldmine inside Tube Mastery that most people completely ignore? I'm talking about their affiliate program that could literally pay for your entire course and then some. Here's the thing everyone misses. While you're learning to grow your YouTube channel through Tube Mastery, you're sitting on a massive income opportunity. The program offers generous commissions to students who refer others, but here's where it gets interesting. Most people think affiliate marketing is just about spamming links everywhere. Dead wrong. The real strategy is becoming a success story first. When you start implementing what you learn in Tube Mastery and begin seeing results, you naturally become a magnet for people asking how you did it. That's when the affiliate program becomes pure gold. You're not selling anymore, you're sharing your genuine experience. People trust success stories way more than random recommendations. But here's the secret sauce that changes everything. The most successful Tube Mastery affiliates create content around their journey. They document their channel growth, share their wins and struggles, and naturally mention how the program helped them. This builds massive trust and authority. The commissions alone can cover your course investment within your first few referrals. But the real magic happens when you scale this approach. Some students are earning thousands monthly just from sharing their Tube Mastery experience authentically. The beauty is you're already learning the skills to create compelling content through the main program. Now you're just applying those same techniques to share your story and help others while earning substantial income. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Your success story could become someone else's inspiration and your financial breakthrough. The affiliate program isn't just a bonus, it's a complete business model waiting for you to activate it. 2. ClickBank. ClickBank stands out as a leading affiliate marketing platform, renowned for its impressive commission rates that can reach as high as 75% or more on many products. This lucrative earning potential attracts affiliates from various niches, making it an appealing choice for those looking to maximize their income. One of the key advantages of ClickBank is the vast array of products available for promotion. Products ranging from digital goods like e-books and online courses to physical products in diverse categories. This variety allows affiliates to find offerings that align with their audience's interests and needs, enhancing the likelihood of successful conversions. However, not all products are created equal. Selecting items with a high gravity score is crucial. A high gravity score indicates that a product is selling well, suggesting that it has proven demand and a track record of success among affiliates. By focusing on these high-performing products, marketers can increase their chances of earning commissions and building a sustainable income stream. In summary, ClickBank's high commission rates, extensive product selection, and the importance of gravity scores make it a top choice for affiliate marketers. 3. Impact. Impact.com has emerged as a powerful affiliate marketing platform, distinguished by its commitment to quality assurance for the products it features. Unlike many other networks, Impact.com rigorously vets its offerings, ensuring that affiliates promote only high-quality products that resonate with their audiences. This focus on quality not only enhances the credibility of the affiliates but also boosts conversion rates, leading to greater earnings. When comparing commission rates, Impact.com often provides more competitive options than Amazon associates. Affiliates on Impact.com can enjoy higher commissions, particularly in niche markets, making it an attractive alternative for those looking to maximize their income. To effectively promote impact offers, affiliates should leverage a mix of content marketing, social media engagement, and email campaigns. Creating valuable content that highlights the benefits of the products can drive traffic and encourage conversions. Additionally, utilizing targeted advertising can help reach specific demographics, further enhancing promotional efforts. Focus on quality products, competitive commission rates, and strategic marketing approaches. By doing this, affiliates can harness the full potential of impact.com to achieve their financial goals in the affiliate marketing landscape. 4. Grunz. Grunz has emerged as an exciting new affiliate program in the health niche, offering a range of innovative products designed to enhance overall well-being. Their flagship offerings include natural supplements and wellness solutions that appeal to a broad audience, from fitness enthusiasts to those seeking holistic health improvements. The appeal of Grunz lies in its commitment to quality and transparency, making it an attractive choice for consumers who prioritize health and wellness in their lives. To effectively promote Grunz, affiliates can leverage various platforms, including social media channels like Instagram and Facebook, where health-conscious communities thrive. Additionally, creating engaging content on blogs or YouTube can help reach a wider audience, providing valuable information about the benefits of Grunz products. The referral commission structure is another compelling aspect of the Grunz affiliate program, offering competitive rates that reward affiliates for their efforts. With a tiered commission system, affiliates can earn higher percentages based on their sales performance, incentivizing them to drive more traffic and conversions. By focusing on the unique appeal of Grunz products and utilizing effective promotional strategies, affiliates can tap into the growing health market and achieve significant earnings. 5. NordVPN. NordVPN offers a robust affiliate program that allows marketers to earn commissions by promoting one of the leading virtual private network (VPN) services available today. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a technology that creates a secure and encrypted connection over the internet, protecting users' online privacy and data from potential threats. In an age where cybersecurity is paramount, the importance of using a VPN cannot be overstated, as it safeguards personal information and allows users to browse the web anonymously. The NordVPN affiliate program features an attractive commission structure, offering affiliates up to 40% in commissions for each referral, depending on the sales volume generated. This competitive rate makes it a lucrative opportunity for marketers looking to monetize their platforms. Additionally, promoting NordVPN is seamless across various niches, including technology, cybersecurity, travel, and lifestyle. The universal need for online privacy and security means that affiliates can effectively reach diverse audiences, whether through blog posts, social media, or video content. With its strong brand reputation and user-friendly service, NordVPN provides affiliates with the tools and resources necessary to succeed. By promoting their offerings while earning substantial commissions. 6. Adobe. Adobe's affiliate program remains highly relevant, offering a diverse range of products that cater to the needs of content creators across various industries. From graphic design software like Photoshop and Illustrator to video editing tools such as Premiere Pro and After Effects, Adobe provides a comprehensive suite of applications that empower creatives to bring their visions to life. This variety allows affiliates to promote products that resonate with their specific audience, whether they are photographers, videographers, or digital marketers. The commission structure for Adobe's affiliate program is based on subscription fees, offering affiliates a competitive percentage for each sale generated through their referrals. This model is particularly advantageous, as Adobe's subscription-based services ensure recurring revenue for affiliates, making it easier to build a sustainable income stream. The value of Adobe products for content creators cannot be overstated. They are industry standards that enhance productivity and creativity, making them essential tools for professionals and hobbyists alike. By promoting Adobe's offerings, affiliates can tap into a vast market of users seeking high-quality software solutions, positioning themselves for success in the ever-evolving landscape of digital content creation. 7. Coinbase. Coinbase has established itself as a leading platform in the cryptocurrency space, providing users with a secure and user-friendly environment to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. One of the key features of Coinbase's affiliate program is its commission structure, which is based on trading fees. Affiliates earn a percentage of the fees generated from the trades made by their referrals. creating a lucrative opportunity for those looking to monetize their platforms in the rapidly growing crypto market. Promoting a trusted platform like Coinbase is crucial, especially in an industry where security and reliability are paramount. Users are more likely to engage with and invest in a platform that has a solid reputation, making it essential for affiliates to align themselves with reputable brands. To maximize the effectiveness of affiliate promotions, pairing educational content with marketing efforts can be highly beneficial. By providing valuable insights into cryptocurrency trading, investment strategies, and market trends, affiliates can build trust with their audience while driving traffic to Coinbase. This combination of education and promotion not only enhances the affiliate's credibility, it also empowers potential users to make informed decisions in their cryptocurrency journey, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates. In this video, we explored the critical aspects of selecting the right affiliate programs to maximize your earning potential. We emphasized that choosing programs that align with your niche and audience is essential for driving conversions and building a sustainable income stream. By focusing on reputable platforms with competitive commission structures, such as ClickBank, TubeMagic, Runs, NordVPN, and Adobe, you can enhance your affiliate marketing success. We also discussed the importance of pairing promotional efforts with educational content to build trust and engage your audience effectively. We encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking this video, as it helps us continue to provide valuable insights and resources for your affiliate marketing journey. Additionally, don't forget to explore related content on our channel, where you'll find more tips, strategies, and reviews that can further enhance your understanding of affiliate marketing. By staying informed and proactive, you can navigate the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate programs and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.